LFWD stock analysis and LFWD stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play with Lifeward. 65 cents is just, I mean, from a first glance here, 2-hour chart, this doesn't look that good. It's actually quite the opposite, just melting. What I'm gonna do is get rid of all this, mark down my lows, then ultimately speaking, here's the top of the range. Yeah, mate, like, unless I see a full candle close above 114, there's no way I'm looking to buy. I mean, this is very subjective, if you know what I mean. Like, there's such a big discrepancy between where we are, 66 cents and 114, almost 100% difference. But it's just the truth. And that's my idea, right? Please have your own, be my guest. But yeah, that's my double break that I'm waiting for. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.